Welcome viewers, welcome to our easy drawing tutorial where we shall learn how to draw colorful flowers step by step. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced artist, this tutorial will guide you through creating vibrant and beautiful flowers in a simple and fun way. So grab your pencil and paper and let's get started. Start by drawing a simple oval shape for the center of the flower and small lines around the oval to create the petals. Now let's choose our colors. Think about bright and vibrant shades like red, yellow and pink. Use your colored pencils or markers to fill in the petals with your chosen colors. Don't worry about staying inside the lines perfectly. A little bit of overlap can add depth to your drawing. Once the petals are filled in, add some shading to create dimension. You can do this by lightly coloring the edges of the petals with a slightly darker shade. Next, let's draw the stem. Start with a straight line coming down from the flower. Add some leaves by drawing simple oval shapes along the stem. Now let's draw another flower. Repeat the same steps as before. Starting with an oval for the center and adding petals around it. Get creative with your colors. Mix and match different shades to make your flowers unique. Remember to add shading to give your flowers a more realistic look. Continue adding flowers and stems until you are happy with your composition. You can vary the sizes and shapes of the flowers to create visual interest. If you make a mistake, don't worry. Drawing is all about experimenting and learning. You can always use an eraser to correct any errors or try again on a fresh piece of paper. As you add more flowers and details, step back occasionally. Take a moment to admire your creation and feel proud of what you have accomplished. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep drawing and experimenting with different techniques. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy drawing tutorials. Thank you so much for watching this video.